Now let us write the main function incorporating all these functions. Okay, so let me write a comment. Whenever you write a menu driven program, what is step 1? Infinite while loop. After that, menu should be displayed. So you should make use of the same function. Yes, function name is this one. Now after that, you should enter your choice. Now for the time being, let me write like this. If choice equal to 1, pass. Okay. If choice equal to 2, pass. Let me copy paste this one. Choice equal to 3. Choice equal to 4. Choice equal to 5. And which is the break option? 6. Choice equal to 6. You should exit from the program so you can make use of break. Otherwise you can write wrong choice. Okay. Now choice equal to 1. What is the first option? It is inserting the record. In order to insert the record, first the string should be entered from the keyboard, and after that you should call the function write string. Okay, so first let me read the string from the keyboard. Now I should call the function write string. Certainly the string should be passed as an argument. Okay, so the name of the function like this. Okay, now what is the second option? Display records. And in order to display the record, you can call the function show. So while calling the function, that colon is not there. Please understand that. Now what is the third option? Size of the file. So you can call the function size of the file, SOF, and here you can paste it. What is option number 4? Count the number of words. So you can call the function words. Remember, there is no colon while calling the function. And to count the number of lines, you can call the function lines. Okay, now you can run the program. All the functions are ready. You can run the program. F5. You should start by inserting record. Okay, you should start with the option number 1. Enter a string. We are class 12 students. Now display the records. So let me use option number 2 to display the records. Yeah, you got. Let me insert one more record. Enter a string. Okay. Now use option number 2 to display. It's correct. It's coming correct. Okay. Now after that, 3, size of the file. So these many characters are there in the file. You can count and check. It is 1, 2, here space character 3, and this will be 53. Okay, you can check that. Now count the number of words. So 4. So how many words are there? 10 words are there. Is it correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's correct. Okay. Now count the number of lines. So 5. Only 2 lines are there. Yes, we entered only 2 lines. Now here if I type 99, you can see wrong choice. And in order to exit from the program, it is 6. you exit. Okay, so this is the complete program to process text file. So we will make use of text file in the project work. It is there for the second midterm exam, so that's the reason why I gave you an introduction like this. Now suppose if you want to count the number of words starting with a particular character, okay, that you can do. If you want, I will create one more function to count the number of words starting with a particular character. The next video tutor will explain that.